Hello friends, I'm Anurag Tyagi and I have my friend Vipul with me, and today we have a very interesting topic for you.
Hello friends, I am Vipul Gupta and we welcome you to this video. Today we are going to take a very hot topic from technology, a very hot topic from politics, and review some intriguing results that we can achieve when we put these two together in a way that nobody has tried yet. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is a very hot topic these days. Any technology meetup or conference you go to, companies are talking about it and showing how they are doing amazing things with it. Basically, with lots and lots of data that is available electronically, machine learning can actually do some pretty nice things. It can sift through all this data, run numbers, and provide helpful statistics. All this can roll up to artificial intelligence and can help identify patterns and behaviors and make sense of all this data. Remember, numbers can still change, but patterns, they don't change as much, unless of course there is an extraordinary event. If you look at the core of it all, it's maths. So what are we going to do in this video today? Well, we are not going to get into too much details of machine learning, but instead, we will review the results that we have achieved after running most popular machine learning algorithms and APIs on a large amount of data that we have collected through various reliable resources on the upcoming Gujarat elections in India. Yes, you heard it right.
Alright guys, I'm back again. I know we said that we are not going to talk about tools and technology in detail. However, it makes sense to talk about very high level so that everybody can connect to it. We used IBM Watson to determine what would be the result of Gujarat election 2017. Whether you call IBM Watson a supercomputer or a cognitive computing system. You can also call it as a question answering machine learning system. IBM Watson is perhaps well-known example of artificial intelligence in use as of today. Before we move further, let me remind you, IBM Watson is not a magic. You need to provide it lots of raw information in terms of documents, and then based on that information, it will transform that data into the valuable outcome. Let me show you one of the component which is called Knowledge Studio in IBM Watson, which we used to create the model so that IBM Watson understand the documents and determine each of those entities which we require for our analysis. Alright, so we have IBM Watson Knowledge Studio, which we basically used for creating the models. For example, we have created these many models, these many types of entities. For example, like constituencies, political party, candidate name, election years, and then caste influence percentage. We also taken it as a factor that casteism also impacts the election. So we have this as an attribute here. So we created these entities for the document so that IBM Watson can understand the document and create the entities out of it. Let me show you how we did the annotation, and actually we used IBM Watson human annotation component to annotate these documents, right? For example, this is article 10 which we collected from internet, and we use this article 10 document to basically train IBM Watson so that it understand each and every attribute which we want for the further analysis, right? So we provided this document to the IBM Watson Knowledge Studio, and then we have the, if you look on the left side, you have all the entities listed down, and there is a corresponding color assigned to it, and then we basically annotated all the entities which we require for our calculation. For example, we annotated like the parties, we like Congress, BJP, these are all the parties, right? And there are like other parties also which we annotated in different documents. And then we also annotated constituencies also, so that IBM Watson can learn these document in detail and actually can make sense out of it. Now I'll go to the discovery services. So we use this Knowledge Studio and then annotation process, and then we further went to the discovery services so that we can actually use discovery services and query those documents actually. So we have like almost 21,000 document which we uploaded to IBM Watson and trained IBM Watson for almost like 7 days, and then And then we also have like generic sentiments from those documents, which we say that people talk positive, like 27% of the people talk positive, 43% of the people were kind of neutral, they were not saying like BJP, Congress or XYZ parties. And then we have like 30% the people who are just talking all the negative things on the articles and the internet. And we also introduced our queries in natural language so that we can just ask like, okay, who is going to win Gujarat election in 2017, and it tells us that this particular party is going to get the majority in 2017. We'll show you how we generated the report out of it. Alright guys, now it's time to show the result. I know you have been waiting for a long. Now let's see what machine learning says about Gujarat election 2017. We asked a simple question from Watson that show me the result of Gujarat election 2017 in terms of vote share. Let's see what it shows. It will take some time to process the data, and obviously we'll have some results here. Alright, now if you see, it seems like BJP is going to get 47.11 vote share, and then Congress is going to get 41.78%, and others are 11.11%. So it seems like overall in Gujarat, BJP is going to get the highest vote share, and it seems like it is closest to the win. And Congress this time has given a tough fight to BJP, and however it seems like BJP is going to be a clear winner in Gujarat election 2017. Thank you guys for watching this video.
So as you have seen, artificial intelligence and machine learning is a very interesting field and has a variety of applications.